This is how I was able to retrofit my stock MT-07 radiator cover turn signal bracket into a aftermarket mount for my new turn signals. Yeah. So I need to get from this big hole to this little tiny hole. This black piece didn't come with it. It came from my rear turn signal, which I no longer needed because I got the fender eliminator. But the front turn signal, I needed to retrofit the radiator cover to compensate for this new hole. I notice this just happens to thread right on. It's from my old rear turn signal. I'll show you that on here. I take it apart. So these two tabs here. Just pry them open. Pull up on this. Oh. There you see. Comes right up. That's what we got. And then this, you squeeze it and pull and push in the center here at the same time. There it goes. So I want this hole to be this size. Quite the difference, right? So what I did was I took this piece on the back. It's a lot smaller. It's this size. So I took that, put it on there. No, my front turn signals are running lights as well, so I had to switch the 2-wire that came in this with my 3-wire and my bulb out of my front turn signals, which I'll show you in a later video how to retrofit that as well. So that's why it's all taped up. It's kind of setting the silicone inside. Anyways, so I'm going to take this bracket and I'm going to cut the tall piece off. Not this side. Leave those little nubs there because those will hold it in the hole later. And this hole, and keep it from sliding around once it's in there and prevent it from falling out, right? Okay. So I want to take this out, but my bolt is too long, it doesn't go all the way past this, so I gotta cut this off. Look at that. Let's file that down to make it better. Now you can buy a radiator cover turn signal mounting part eliminator, but then you have to drill different holes inside your bike. Who wants to do that, right? So I gotta retrofit a plastic piece that costs $12. Well, this costs 25 cents or something, but I'm sure you go replace it, it costs $10 or something stupid. But this way, if I ever do decide to change the lights back, which I won't, I'll still be able to. And I just want to get it roughly close, and so I'm going to weaken it in any way. Just enough so that the nut that I put on there will have some sort of grab to it, right? Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah. Okay. So maybe I'll actually put it this way, so that part sits in the hole instead. Either way. Let's see. Where do they fit? No, I like that way. I don't like as good as this way. I guess it does. It's just in the back here, it's actually sitting in a little track. Oh. Yeah, kinda. So it's not really gonna go anywhere anyway. So yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll go this way because it'll be easier for the nut to sit flat. Okay, yeah. Okay, so stick this in here. Next there. And stick the flat side on first. Or no, the other side on first. Go down into the hole. And then go on the other side. Thread it. Because you can't, this thing won't really spin around in there properly. Just like the one on top isn't really, starts binding. Let's turn this way. Hold them both, try to hold them both still while you turn it. Just get it roughly tight. It's not going to tighten completely because it's not actual, it's a plastic nut, so it strips itself instantly. So I got it in there, see, now you can see enough of the thread that I can get onto it, the nut. Wherever the nut went. There it is. So now I'll take the nut. See, it's a flat nut, so it's gonna bite into that plastic and hold it tight. Point it that way, yeah. Yeah. There we go. Good, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, I haven't even tightened it down all the way yet, but it's pretty good considering. Right. So I think it ready. And I kept the washer on this side as well, so it just sandwiches the two plastic pieces together. It's hard to look in the camera. Oh, wrong wrench. That's for the other one, of course. Don't go too tight because you don't want to snap the plastic pieces in there. You see? It's holding secure in there. And on the outside, it's not going nowhere. Nothing. No deflection. Oh, that's how you retrofit. Oh, retrofit MT07 stock turn signal mounting bracket radiator cover mounting bracket for your turn signal into an aftermarket. Stock to aftermarket. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.